Welcome to the Computer Literacy Center's online instructional video about creating a document with custom margins and changing page orientation in Google Docs. Custom margins and page orientation allow us to create documents to suit a wide range of specific needs while maintaining organization. My name is Eiley Cummings, and I'll be guiding you through this tutorial. In this video, we will create custom margins and discuss the strengths and weaknesses of different page orientations in Google Docs. Margins are the space on the sides of a page. They help us lay out documents appropriately. They also help documents look clean and professional. Without margins, every document we make would have text fill the entire page and break at strange points when it hits the edge of the paper. It would be very visually confusing and people wouldn't want to read them. To change the margins on a document in Google Docs, click on the File tab and click on Page Setup at the bottom. This opens a dialog box where we can change the margins, page color, page layout, and other things. It even has an option to apply changes to specific areas instead of the whole document. We'll focus on the margins. We'll pretend that we're creating a template for a party invitation. Change the top margin to 1.5 inches, the bottom margin to 1.5 inches, and the side margins to 2 inches. Once you've adjusted the margin measurements, click OK, and the changes are now applied to your document. Now, the margins we've chosen are great for an upright or portrait document, but not so great for a landscape document. Each has its strengths and weaknesses. Portrait orientation is excellent for dense text. You can fit a lot of words on a page if it's oriented to portrait. That's why it's used for books, papers, phone screens, etc. Landscape orientation is great for large text and things that work better horizontally. That's why it's used for billboards, computer screens, and signs that have large text but few words. It helps text stand out by making it as large as possible in a small space. To change the orientation of your document, go to the Format tab and click on Page Orientation. In the dialog box, we could change the orientation to landscape or leave it as portrait. We could also apply the change to the entire document or only to the selected area, the same as the Page Setup dialog box allows. Since the margins we've chosen work best in a portrait-oriented document, we'll leave it on portrait and click OK. Everything looks great, so we're finished. In this video, we learned how to customize margins and change the orientation of a document. For more information about Google Docs and other computer literacy topics, visit our website at weber.edu/clc.